In this video, I'll show you how to change the internal battery in a Jeep Commander key fob. This key fob was used on Commanders between 2008 and 2010 and takes one CR2032 battery. You can get one of these batteries online for just a couple bucks. I will put a link down in the YouTube description, and you can just change the battery yourself at home. It's really simple. First, look towards the area with the key ring here. You can see there's a separation in the two halves of the key fob. Going to take a flathead screwdriver and just insert it in there, kind of pushing until it slides in, and then you can just twist. Okay, you can see it's starting to come apart. You can just pull it apart with your fingers at this point, or work your way down the side twisting so that it comes apart safely like that. Now we can carefully remove this rubber part with the circuit board. Now we have access to the battery. You can just pop this out carefully with your tool or your fingers, and you can see it's a CR2032. Go ahead and take a new one. Make sure the positive side goes face down, and just push it into the metal component first and click it down. Last thing to do is just position this rubber part on top of the plastic, and it will just set into place like that. And just click the two halves of the key fob back together. That's it. Super simple, right? If you found this helpful, feel free to leave a comment down below or give us a like. And go ahead and check out fobbattery.com for other guides like this. Thank you for watching.